god. Yeah, I hit a lot.
TBDS and G up in the spot at one. Like, how can you diss on the game? You see me, you ain't let it bang. I slapped you up, you dab me up, little nigga, just stay in your lane. And G, I'm talking about you. So you throwing ones in that booth. How you fall in love with a smoke? If you jacking the arms, you smoking you too. Take all the wedgie and still get back. His boss is all in his back. And meaning your chick was waxed, and your butt is attached to your back. If you jack every breathing, you stuck in a pack. Don't run, don't trip, they still running laps. Like, don't run, don't trip, they still running laps. Like, how can you diss on the game? You see me, you ain't let it bang. If I'm talking to real, y'all playing this lane, little nigga, just stay in your lane. And G, I'm talking about you. See you throwing ones in that booth. How you fall in love with a smoke? We jacking the ounce, we smoking you too. Like, niggas really know what we own. Take out throwing was yelling my own. Con can't diss cause he never performed. Ain't no got hurt, started taking them songs. Wait, so as you thought we was done? You see me in traffic and started to run. Bitch, I'm a Udo, I walk on my gun and I can't go out back cause I'm really the one. Like, saying me, no, I can't go out like that. Con got put in a wall, now we smoking on KT's pack. Like, Tay on pop out of place. Back at the bat and they picked up the pace. So G in the spot.
Nah, child, I got it.
And I got beat and got punched in his face. Like, FNB know it get deadly. And ZG know it get heavy. Niggas say had to like could've turned to a pack, but instead we gave that boy a wedgie. Cause you didn't get popped like a yo. CBD don't find out he's stuck on a show. Send me outside, but he rested in dirt. CBD, SOG always a first. Cause you didn't get popped like a yo. CBD don't find out he's stuck on a show. Send me outside, but he rested in dirt. CBD, SOG always a first.
Oh, that sounds tough! Oh my god. Yeah, I hit a lot.